Yo.
I get it done too. 40-inch my front tool, I get it 3-4. Yup, I'm about to ride and make a seesaw. Is that CG or? Do you see? If she don't give you head when you pull it in a V. If she don't bust it open, her island's about to see. Hey, it's an ING while you rolling a tree. You boy, you're not pre.
She actually spelled out KISSING while you went to the tree. Dude, that was a really good verse, I think. Just not like necessarily bar heavy, but flow wise, it was fucking dope.
Anyway, yeah, so we got Beep Beep, Nicki.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
I hope that's the hook.
The Roadrunner. Beep beep. This is a quick one.
Wiley Nicody. Is it?
Murder on the beach.
Hey, yo.
It's not nice.
I drop a bag on the roads with the Tim tags. My niggas lock scamming money out they pen pals. I know a bitch busted open in the club. Introduce you to the plug. 10 plates for like 10 cash. I got a call, told me meet me in the back streets. Got out the Jeep just to fuck him in the backseat. I'm not impressed, I said yo the D mad weak. Hit my niggas up, I got him robbed and that ass beat. I tell him that he had the chance of a lifetime. Who wanna be a millionaire? I'm your lifeline. These bitches always checking for me like a night sign. Niggas always frontin' when they only take some lifetime.
How many of you understood the "Want to Be a Millionaire" Lifeline reference? That's like 20 years ago now, bro. I know y'all motherfuckers weren't watching that shit. Y'all saying we don't catch bars. She's our age, motherfucker. Actually, she's older than us, I think. Gotta be.
She must be, because she was like, I think she was
Old
gaining
enough to be hot when we were
popularity.
younger.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking.
I guess 30. I'm going to go 37.
I'm gonna go 40. Oh, 41.
Oh, wow.
Oh, motherfucker.
Always checking for me like a night sign. Niggas always frontin' when they only take some lifetime. Beep, 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 is that bleep? Is that you talking to me? Is that deep? If I don't even know you exist, is that beef? When niggas get their jaw broke, is that teeth? Murder, murder, murder,
That was nice.
murder.
Look at that jaw broke. Wait, is that teeth? That's a dope hook, too.
Murder.
She's swinging. That was like an interlude almost.
I feel like when I see songs like this short nowadays, I'm like, it's for TikTok, you know? It's like a TikTok length.
Not only that, it's for streams, bro. Like that whole thing. Like albums,
yeah.
they used to let the minutes drag on, because it's like so they could be like, oh, the album length of this LP that you're buying is like so long. Like they do those long ass like
84
minute long
minute,
outros. Yeah. Nowadays they cut them shorter because they want that those stream numbers to just pump. And I feel like you're more apt to want to go back and listen to it when it's shorter. You know what I mean? Because you get a less of that like taste of it, so you'll listen to it a second time sometimes too.
Yeah,
Like,
there's a song I've been like wearing the fuck out for the past like 4 days. And if we have time, maybe I'll show you here. but yeah, it's like a 2-minute 20-second song or whatever.
Yeah.
So I just like I'll fucking like play it four
yeah,
times
dude,
in a row.
they're fucking with your psychology and getting streams numbers for sure. Like I'm positive that's what they're doing.
What are you doing to me, Nick? With that being said, we got a 3-minute 50-second track.
Yeah, and it is track 5, so we good. And then it's J. Cole after this.
Sweet. Yeah, we got Falling For You.
What's Gag City? Is that like her new label or her label the whole time?
I don't know, but I saw that at the beginning of the
And
last
it's been
video or
everything,
whatever.
yeah.
Oh, has been.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's...
Hey yo, told him shoot a shot like his main op. Now I'm falling for him like a raindrop. Done that, run that. Yo, Patty, give me the gun back. When